So what I've realized is that it takes an enormous amount of pressure to twist this adapter to get it to lock on the Sigma 18-35. Hey folks, so I recently picked up this adapter for the Lumix S5iiX S5 Mark IIX, and essentially what it does is it allows you to use your Canon EF lenses. Like for instance, this right here, this is the Sigma 18-35 millimeter 1.8 by Sigma for Canon, and it allowed me to essentially utilize this on the L mount cameras or whatnot. You know, this is an unlocked state, and this is when it is locked, and that's how you know the camera is on the camera properly, or the adapter is on the camera properly. So I'll take it from an unlocked state. So currently it's like that, and I'll go ahead and lock this. So what I've realized is that it takes an enormous amount of pressure to twist this adapter to get it to lock on the Sigma 18-35. Perhaps you might have had a different experience, but I've noticed, like, if you don't get it all the way to where the red dot and the inner red dot is aligned, the autofocus capabilities won't work. However, if you do twist and you do manage to get it tight enough to where it does lock, you will get those autofocus capabilities on the Lumix S5 Mark IIX. But it's just annoying. It's a hassle to go through. Unlike something that I've used in the past, which is the Sigma MC11 adapter, that was super simple. I was just able to line it up, twist it, and then I was able to easily put on the lens. You could probably put a lens on here with one hand, if I'm being honest. And it's just a whole lot convenient. You press this button over here to press down on this button in order to twist and get it to take it off. So maybe two hands to take it off. But overall, I just found it a bit tough to put this particular lens on this adapter. And again, this is the Viltrox EF-L Pro. I did notice that I did try the Viltrox adapter with the lens that I'm recording this video with, which is the Sigma 17-50 millimeter, and that one actually worked out pretty well. It slid on and tightened without too much resistance, but for this lens in particular, man, it was just a whole bunch of resistance trying to get this adapter on. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.